Imagine a rainstorm that didn't stop for 2 million years. Earth was Pangaea, one arid supercontinent. Life struggled against the desert. Then disaster struck. Massive volcanoes erupted. Rangelia's eruptions pumped greenhouse gases. Global warming accelerated. The sky opened up. This was the Carnian Pluvial event. It rained for 2 million years. Floods consumed the landscape. Acidification wiped out 1/3 of marine life. A mass extinction few remember. But the chaos brought opportunity. The dinosaurs seized their chance. The modern world was born from the flood. The Carnian Pluvial, the Great Reset.